Hi guys, so today I want to take you through the process of installing, deploying and launching a Sitepad Builder template and how you can edit it and customize it to ensure that it features your exact theme or your brand. So Sitepad is already pre-installed in our website. For anyone who will be subscribing or hosting with us, you will be in a position to access up to 30 free Sitepad themes to kickstart your website. With that, you will not need any developer to come on board to help you or to charge you in the process of website development. So with Sitepad, all you need is to register a domain and hosting with us, or if you already have a domain somewhere else, you can purchase a hosting account with us. Then you get as low as 1,699 shillings, which is the price for our starter hosting package. Then you'll be pointing the name server to that domain. You'll be pointing the name server of that domain to our server so that they get interlinked. That's just in case you have a domain elsewhere. But again, the easiest provision is where you don't have a domain and you buy both the hosting and domain with us. In this case, everything is automated and you just ensure that the moment you are done with the purchase, there's an automatic setup. Your work will be to log into your control panel or cPanel area. Then from there, you'll be in a position to go through the available softwares in your cPanel database or your cPanel account. You will be choosing the Sitepad software, and you will be starting by setting up the basic details of your website, company or brand for that matter. Then from there, you'll be in a position to install the Sitepad. After installing the Sitepad, after installing the Sitepad, the next process is to access your admin area and start the editing. So in my next video, I'll be showing a live presentation how someone can install, deploy, and start editing the Sitepad theme to a standard that someone can see your website in a very corporate and official way. Thank you. See you next time.